This morning we are continuing with the building of the girls' toilets. We've got 4 new toilets being built, and so this is the material arriving. And they are absolutely essential. We've got 400 children now from 100 something, and we need better facilities. Here are the new block of 4 toilets plus staffed toilets, and they're pretty much up the right height. And also gardening's carrying on. Niaz and his friend are busy with the school. Also the gate painting, repairs and so on, all carried on today before the children arrive on Monday. We're asking the builders to really speed up as much as they can the work, and they are doing a fantastic job. I'm really pleased with the amount of progress they made. In a week and a half, we'll have all the toilets functional, all being well. Oi.